my favorite thing about the movie is like it feels like a movie.
Hey, can I slide on your slide? I want to slide on your slide. Okay, all right. All right, I'm going to get up there, old bossy, baby. Help me up. Just push a little bit more. Push a little bit more. Push. I know you're trying, but push harder. All right. Wee. Mama coming, we supposed to be asleep. Mama coming, we supposed to be asleep. Like sleep. Oh, I know you ain't just slapped me and run off. Hey, where you go? Where you go? I know this fool ain't just go invisible on me. Where you at? Oh, wait till I find you. Come out here and face me like a real cat. Where you at? Come out here and face me like a real cat. Ooh, wait till I find you. Ooh, I'm gonna just go. I got a boo boo move.
He did not do that. He did not do that.
Can I have a little privacy, please? All right, I'm gonna go to the room and count to 3. You hide.
Okay. Oh, you're too stupid to find me right here.
1, 2, 3. Here I come. You under this blanket, ain't you?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Hey, does your dog bite? Let me see. Nice dog. Nice dog. This ain't no nice dog.
Raider, look, it's the donut truck. We gotta go get it. First hike today. She's doing pretty good. Got a little tired. That's okay. She's doing great.
No. You want to go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. Somebody's dog. Wait a minute. That's my dog. But
You are not a cow. You are not a cow. Come home. Come home, Lola.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
who's there?
Oh my God, you know what? This is really scary. Holy moly, bitch.
Nothing really.
You see that, right?
No.
I can't walk past this snake. I can't walk. Whoa.
I don't think he's excited.
Oh no. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. No. Riot, do you want to get neutered?
Hey, look at all these wieners.
Hi, Wiener.
Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Rita, hey. Are you kidding me?
Oh, you're so strong. So strong, you're winning. My turn.
Mom, I'ma stop. And I'm so serious. No more shouting. I'm gonna try to pick up after myself. Now I'm gonna be nice to the cat just for you.
What did I say?
You said get a shirt.
No.
What?
When you change your clothes,
Then what?
dinner.
I did.
No.
Oh, you fake.
You gonna stop
You
that.
stop being fake.
These tantrum tantrums, stop it.
You know what? I ain't talking to you no more.
I don't care. You can turn your back.
I know.
Buddy,
What?
will you be nice?
I ain't trying to. I I want to eat.
Okay, buddy.
Now.
Okay, buddy. You got it. You got it.
All right. So,
Go get your shirt. Go. Go get your shirt.
why I need a shirt?
Go get your shirt.
My shirt. Why? You got a dress code in the kitchen now?
What?
Dress code.
You know what? I'm not gonna keep doing this with you.
Yeah. Where my food?
You need anger management.
I don't.
You need anger management.
Nah.
You do. You do.
Lord, you hear this mess?
You do. How about that?
All right.
I wanted to give you a quick update. Kai is a big humper. He's overstimulated.
Oh, look at their bottom lip.
Oh, great. Here we go again. Oh, no.
Okay, he's like a 10, but his eyebrows are just like little dots on his head.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
He's new.
Oh.
Did you call me bitch? Yeah. Why?
Drop it. Aww. Oh my god. Stop!
Maybe I might be.
Mama, come here, brother. $8 cookies. Look, come here. Look at him. Look.
Guess what, baby? I'm about to give you a treat, yeah, and you don't gotta do no tricks. That one's just for existing. It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Mira lo linda que está.
Okay, who in this house wants to go for a car ride?
Don't. No!
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?